Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to order Rotimatic Next in Europe. It's very easy. How to do it? Let's check it out. First of all, you need to open the Google. This coupon code available on video description. If you apply this coupon code, you should get discount 188 DKK. Scroll down. Here is the Rotimatic price around exchange discount referral bonus you are receiving. So this is the referral bonus. EMI option is also available. 1 year manufacturing discount. Which color you want to use? I order black and gray. If you wanted like extra warranty, optional this one, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Accordingly you should select one of them. If you want exchange, the Rotimatic, here exchange option is available, but I just simply skip it here and add to cart. So here the referral, the price, exactly the price here coming, we just simply check out here. So I have one of the discount coupon. After that you need to add here your detail, first name, last name, your address or city. After that how much time they are spending to deliver, and after that here the credit card, and this address is same, or split pay up to 12 installment, no interest fee. So I just simply select this one, and so final payment is this, and process to the payment. Here I need to add here my card detail. Here the how much installment you are selecting, accordingly you should decide, like a 12 month, 9 month, 6 month, 4 month. If you select here 12 months, so you need to pay every month $194, and after that very easily I agree to put it here, your name, card detail, and pay. It's very easy. After complete this payment process, you receive the email confirmation, and after 8 to 10 working week you receive the Rotimatic in your home, and enjoy.